Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Sound Packaging of Chandler, Arizona, is a custom corrugated box manufacturer. By staying on top of trends and designing the most cost-effective solutions, Sound Packaging successfully serves clients large and small. Sound Packaging services include the design, manufacture, and distribution of custom packaging. Its products include retail, commercial, and industrial corrugated boxes and point-of-purchase displays. Sound Packaging is the largest independent corrugated packaging manufacturer in the Southwest. The company has 120 employees, with 3 production shifts to keep up with the demand. Those employees include an informed sales staff which analyzes packaging demands and provides the best solution at a better price. Also on staff, structural engineers design and prototype packaging solutions to meet the customer's needs. Advanced corrugated machinery allows for a variety of boxes, inserts, displays, and trays to be produced. A jumbo slaughter machine is used to manufacture boxes of large size and shape. High graphics printing is a specialty for Sound Packaging. A 3-color rotary die cutter allows for retail quality printing. The company manufactures ink on site, including custom colors in the needed quantities, which reduces lead times on printed jobs, ink waste, and overall cost. To be better stewards of the environment, Sound Packaging uses water-based inks, reuses inks, and recycles cut waste from its corrugated products. To learn how Sound Packaging can package your product, visit its website at soundpkg.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.